Look at him. Let me get closer. That's a big woodpecker. Alder's like, he looks like Woody Woodpecker. I'm like, yeah. Can you guys see him? Shit, I can't tell if you guys can see him or not. There he is. Well, look at you. You're a big woodpecker. Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at you. Get it. Get it. Can you imagine bashing your head against something to eat every day? But he's going to town. He's having a field day. Or she. Wow, he is big. That may be the biggest woodpecker I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen some big ones. He's got to be the size of, I wouldn't say a raven, but he's pretty big. Hey there, Woody. Woody the woodpecker. You're beautiful. Thank you so much for the footage. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day and have a nice meal. See you later.